Hello, my name is Ben, and I am making a trebuchet that can shoot a tennis ball 175 plus feet and up to 100 kilometers per hour. A trebuchet is a medieval siege engine used to destroy cities out of archer fire and injure soldiers. The traction trebuchet first appeared in 14th century China and was adapted into most warfare, later being replaced by the far superior counterweight trebuchet in the 11th century. When the invention of cannons in the 14th century and gunpowder, it declined until it was never used again. The simple explanation is that the trebuchet has a long arm with the weight on one side and a sling on the other. Holding the payload, the side with the payload is locked to the ground with a rope and a pin suspending the counterweight in the air. To do this project, I had to learn about aerodynamics, physics, which both subjects I found fun because it taught me a lot about mechanical engineering. Mechanical engineering is a field that deals with how things are made, how machines operate, and other elements of force and motion. To build a trebuchet, I used a circular saw and a drill to cut and drill 2x4s and 5-inch screws to hold everything together. I used Virtual Trebuchet Simulator to find the best height for the pivot arm, counterweight, and sling length. Throughout the whole project, I only had one major issue, which was that it was too big to fit in the car that I was going to bring it to school with. I thought I was going to have to carry it to school, but I had the idea to make it easily disassemble and reassemble so I can make it fit.